Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in a previous video I unboxed 3 of these sets. These are new at Walmart. This is the basic space starter set. It's the basic room. Comes with a table, a rug, a shelf, a couple of little cubes, and a little cute cat coffee mug. So it got me thinking. I know that the MiniVerse spaces, as adorable as they are and how much we love them, they are not very budget friendly for everybody, including me. I got them, but I promise you, including me. So these are $10.97 at Walmart. Basic room, you can decorate. We can make these whatever we want. So I thought a fun challenge would be for as many people that would like to participate. I hope you all do, because I love all of your work. But grab one of these basic rooms and let's go to town on them. We have paper, we have mini dishes, we have miniature dolls. We have everything we need to take this $10.47 little room and make it into something magical. Like, you can do any theme, you can do it your own style, however you want it to be. So I'm going to give a prize. I don't know what it'll be. I don't know how long we're going to run this for. I guess it will depend on, what the interest is and how many people want to participate. YouTube is not a sponsor of this video. This company is not a sponsor of this video. I am the sponsor of this video. So, run to Walmart, look over by your MiniVerse stuff. If you don't see it, check your app. It'll tell you what aisle it's on. And grab one and let's have some fun. Halloween is almost here. Thanksgiving is coming. Christmas is beating on the door. So you can decorate it in basic, everyday style. You can make a bathroom. You can make a living room, a bedroom, a craft room, whatever you want your room to be. I want to see it. Please share it on YouTube. Do a video. Tell us about it. If you don't do videos, you can post it on Instagram. You can post pictures there. You can post pictures here on my YouTube community tab in the little community area. You can post stuff there. So you can post your pictures there. I don't know what the giveaway will be. I don't know how long I will run this. Again, it's going to depend on participation. And as far as the hashtag this, let's just hashtag it Sweet Sweets. And I'll put that here for you. Sweet Sweets. Again, let me know if you have any questions. I think this will be a ton of fun and a little more budget friendly to those that cannot do the MiniVerse spaces. These are smaller. These, I think when I measured them, they were 6x4 or 4x6 something, but definitely smaller than the MiniVerse one. So again, thank you all so much for watching. Do me a favor, like this video. It's right there. Takes that, but just click it. Hey, you can click the dislike. It counts too, but I'd rather have a like. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and your notification bell is on so that when we post things like this or when I update about this, you'll be notified. I appreciate you all so very much. Have an amazing day. I will talk to you later. Bye.